Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are showing you another kitchen remodel. In this remodel, we removed a partition wall that separated the kitchen and the dining room. In doing so, we created one large open space for the new kitchen. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Here is what the kitchen looked like before demolition. This is the partition wall to the dining room that we removed. This is the first day of demo. Tony started by removing and carrying out the old cabinets. In preparation for removing the partition wall, Tony removed the drywall to assess and take care of what's inside the wall before completely removing it. Here's what the kitchen looks like after everything has been removed, including the partition wall. On this day, we had a few trades working. Tony was removing the floor throughout the rest of the first floor. And the electricians are doing the rough-in in the kitchen. It's a few days later and the drywall and paint is complete. The underlayment for the LVT floor has also been installed. The LVT floor has been installed. It's the Mannington Adura Distinctive Collection in Iron Hill Smoked Ash. They are 6x48 planks. That concludes today's video. We will pick back up in the next video with the cabinet installation, so make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching.